Hey girls, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, today's video is very creative and unique in itself. Because in this video, I am sharing a very beautiful, exquisite, stylish and beautiful design ideas of baby girl dresses. Yes friends, you have heard it right. As summers are being near, then the most demanding activity that we are going to do is that we are in search of very beautiful, creative and eye-catchy but easy to make hand embroidery, handmade or handmade or homemade dresses for our baby girls. So don't go anywhere, watch the video till end. You will be amazed to get all the amazing and stylish ideas because in this video we are focusing on handmade, hand embroidered, very beautiful, elegant, stylish and creative design ideas of baby girl frocks, baby girl dresses. All of these frocks are not only beautiful and pretty, and you can not only get ideas related to hand embroidery, but you can also get creative and amazing ideas related to stitching of baby girl dresses, frocks as well. So I hope that you are enjoying the video. So you can use the art of hand embroidery, art of machine embroidery as well for making these patterns, because both of these embroidery patterns would go absolutely well, but hand embroidery would look more creative, unique and give an enhanced look to add towards the beauty of these very beautiful frocks. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave massive comments below our videos so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis in our channel. Friends, we try our best to share amazingly trendy, quality, beautiful dresses so that you could get all the amazing and trendy ideas, and instead of spending a lot of money, many dollars, you can make these very beautiful embroidery dresses. You can design your baby girl's summer outfits, intimate season outfits, just by watching these patterns and exactly making these combinations of very beautiful colors onto your baby girl dresses as well. The designs are not only limited to this, you can also design these very beautiful patterns onto the dresses of teenagers as well. They would look absolutely fine and amazingly beautiful. So with this, allow me to leave, and stay tuned for the new and latest more upcoming videos. Up till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching.